is my first video. So today we learn how to paint an easy landscape. So in the first half, add pink, purple, orange and yellow color and mix them properly for the sky. Then paint the half bottom with the green color. Now take some dark green color. Here I am using this technique with my old brush for the tree effect. Now add some highlights and branches with black and dark green color. Here I am also using light green color for extra detailing. Now draw some flowers by using red, pink, blue and yellow color. You can also use your favorite color. And ta-da! We are done. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like my video and try it. Thank you for watching.